Once you've pre-processed, filtered, and made plots of your data, you can download CSV summaries of all your processed data, a summary report of your pre-processing steps, and any plots you've made. First, for your data, you can download separate files for your data file and molecular identification file, a sheet that is these two files merged together, and any summaries for group plots that you might have made. By default, FREDA will produce a summary report of all your pre-processing and filtering steps. For the plots, there's a table showing each plot that you created in the Visualize tab. Click Download Items, and FREDA will bundle all these up into one compressed archive. Inside the zip file, we can see we have CSV files for our group data summaries for various group comparison plots, a file for our data file, one for our molecular identification file, and one that is these two sheets merged together. There are PNGs of all our plots, finally, there's a report summarizing all pre-processing and filtering steps. It shows our initial data, the values we included in our molecular identification file, groups we defined, values we added in the pre-processing tab, and all filters that were applied and the effect of those filters.